Good morning, sir. We are the Lupaypay Group, and here's our report. So, motorcycle accidents are a significant concern in the Philippines, particularly due to poor visibility during nighttime or low light conditions. As motorcycles become more popular, the need for enhanced safety gear is crucial. Glow-in-the-dark safety gear provides an innovative solution to this issue, improving rider visibility and reducing accident risks. So, why pursue this business idea? This decision to pursue this business stems from the increasing number of motorcycle-related accidents and the need for greater visibility. With the growing motorcycle market in the Philippines, this venture aims to improve road safety while offering riders stylish and functional gear. So, here is the overview of the venture. Our venture focuses on creating high-quality glow-in-the-dark safety gear for motorcyclists here in the Philippines. Our product range includes jackets and pants designed with reflective and glow-in-the-dark materials to enhance visibility. These products are made from durable materials suitable for the local climate, ensuring comfort and safety. How the venture solves the problem. Glow-in-the-dark gear addresses the critical problem of low visibility for motorcyclists, especially at night. By making riders more visible to the other drivers, the gear reduces accident risks. The stylish and functional design also appeals to modern riders, promoting safety while maintaining a fashionable look. Revenue will be generated through online sales, retail partnerships, and direct sales at events and motorcycle shops. We will also explore bulk sales through partnerships with motorcycle clubs and manufacturers. Custom designs for bulk orders will provide additional revenue opportunities. Our glow-in-the-dark safety gear addresses a pressing need for better visibility, helping reduce motorcycle accidents in the Philippines. With a strong business model and focus on quality, this venture has the potential to significantly improve rider safety while tapping into a growing market. Next, please.
Hello, everyone. So next is the problem or opportunity. So the context, when does the problem occur? The problem arises at night or in low light conditions, making motorcyclists hard to see. This increases accident risk, especially on poorly lit roads or in heavy traffic. Next is the problem. What is the root cause of the problem? The problem stems for low visibility, making motorcyclists hard to spot. So the reflective gear need headlights to work, leaving riders at risk in total darkness. So next is the alternatives. What do customers do now to fix the problems? So to stay visible, riders use reflective gear, LED embedded clothing, extra bike lights, or sometimes they rely on street lights and headlights. Next is the customers. Who has the problem most often? Uh, Motorcycle commuters, delivery riders, long-distance travelers, and emergency responders face high risk due to low visibility at night. Next is the emotional impact. How does the customer feel? So as we notice, some of the riders are feel fearful of accidents and injuries and anxious because uh, they're riding at night. So there is a chance that they can see clearly at night. Quantifiable impact. What is the measurable impact? In- the increased accident risk are around 28% of road fatalities, globally limited reaction time. Drivers have 3 to 5 seconds to react when a rider is barely visible. Next is the alternative shortcomings. What are the disadvantages of the alternatives? So currently, visibility solution for motorcyclists have limitations. Reflective gear depends on external light, LED gear charging, extra bike lights may not be seen from all angles, and street lights are unreliable in many areas. Next.
How many customers did you interview? We conducted a survey with 30 respondents to gain deeper insights into their preferences and expectations. Our goal was to identify key trends, common challenges, and potential areas for improvement. The respondents were selected based on relevant demographics and market segments to ensure diverse perspective and meaningful data. And for the second one, what was the interview mode? We conducted the interviews through Google Forms, making it easy for respondents to share their thoughts conveniently. And for the third one, how many of them agreed this is a problem and wants a solution? A strong 97% of our 30 respondents agreed that this is a real issue, which is equivalent to 29 out of 30, and believe our product is a great solution. And only 3%, which is equivalent to 1 out of 30, didn't see the need for it. And for the last one, how many of them said they don't need a new solution? Um, just one person. He felt that the new solution was necessary, but the overwhelming majority saw its value. Next.
So next is the TAM SAM SOM. This is the market size estimation. So first, the total addressable market, TAM, is the global motorcycle safety gear market was valued at 3.95 billion in 2023, and it expected to grow to 5.68 dollar billion by 2032, showing a strong demand for safety products. Next is the serviceable available market, SAM. It focuses on the Philippine motorcycle accessories market, which is moderately competitive. This means that there's still room for innovative safety gear. Then finally, the SOM, the serviceable obtainable market. It refers to the actual market share we can capture, while exact figures depend on competition and brand reach. Our glow-in-the-dark gear fills a crucial safety gap, making it highly marketable. With the increasing demand for better rider visibility and safety, our product has strong potential to succeed. Next.
Customer persona, ethos. As a delivery rider, visibility is crucial for my safety. Glow-in-the-dark safety gear keeps me seen on dark roads, reducing risks. It's a simple yet life-saving innovation. Every rider needs to stay protected while on the move. Age 23, occupation, delivery rider, location, parang. Goals. As a delivery rider, he wants to improve his visibility and safety on the road, especially at night. He aims to deliver packages efficiently without worrying about poor lighting conditions. Frustrations. He often struggles with poor visibility on dark roads, especially in areas without street lights. Reflective gear only works when hit by headlights, making it less effective in some situations. High quality safety gear is often expensive and he worries about accidents due to unseen obstacles at night. He also finds it frustrating that practical and stylish safety gear is not always readily available. Bayo owns a motorcycle, works as a Shopee delivery rider, 22 years old, earns 15,000 per month, senior high school graduate in a relationship. Next. Next po. Value proposition canvas. What do you offer that makes the customer happy? We offer high visibility, glow-in-the-dark safety gear that enhances rider visibility at night, reducing accident risk and ensuring a safer, more confident ride. So, riding a motorcycle at night comes with significant risk, especially when it comes to visibility. Many accidents occur simply because other drivers fail to see motorcyclists in low light conditions. Our glow-in-the-dark motorcycle gear is designed to solve this problem by enhancing rider visibility in a stylish and practical way. Unlike standard reflective gear that only works when hit by headlights, our product glow independently in the dark, ensuring that riders remain visible at all times. This added layer of safety reduces the chances of accidents and makes nighttime riding much more secure. In addition to safety, our gear provides riders with increased confidence on the road. Many motorcyclists feel uneasy riding at night due to the fear of not being seen by other vehicles. What is the product or service that you are offering? We are offering a safety gear that enhances the visibility of individuals during nighttime or an area that has a low visibility. We are offering high visibility safety gear designed to enhance the visibility of individuals at night or in low light areas. Our products, including glow-in-the-dark jacket, helmets, and accessories, help ensure that motorcyclists and pedestrians can be easily seen. Reducing accident risk, this gear provides both safety and style, giving users confidence and peace of mind while traveling in dark conditions. Which features of your offering relieve the customer pains? Our gear enhances visibility, reduces accident risk, and boosts rider confidence for safer night rides. Our glow-in-the-dark safety gear addresses key concerns for motorcyclists by enhancing visibility, reducing accident risk, and boosting rider confidence during night rides. Many accidents happen because riders are not easily seen in low light conditions, but our gear ensures they remain visible at all times. This added safety feature helps prevent collisions, giving riders peace of mind and allowing them to focus on enjoying their journey. With our innovative design, we provide a practical and stylish solution that makes nighttime riding much safer and more comfortable. What will make them or the customer happy? What do the clients want when facing the problem? So the customer want is to boost rider confidence for safer night rides. What do clients do when facing the problem? So when facing visibility issues at night, many riders turn to alternative solutions such as reflective gear, auxiliary lights, or high visibility clothing. While these options can help, they are not always effective in all situations. Reflective gear only works when hit by headlights. Auxiliary Auxiliary lights can drain battery power, and high visibility clothing may not be visible in complete darkness. These limitations leave riders vulnerable to accidents, which is why a more reliable solution like our glow-in-the-dark safety gear is essential for ensuring continuous visibility and protection on the road. What are the pains of the clients when facing the problem? Motorcyclists often experience fear and anxiety when riding at night due to the risk of not being seen by other drivers. Poor visibility increases the chances of accidents, making riders feel unsafe and hesitant to travel in low light conditions. This concern can take away the enjoyment of riding and force them to rely on less effective solutions like reflective gear. Without a reliable way to stay visible, riders are left feeling vulnerable on the road, which is why a better safety solution is necessary. Next.
Solution. when We offer glow-in-the-dark safety motorcycle gear that enhance rider visibility at night, reducing accident risk and ensure a safer, more incident rides. Number one, uh, weather-resistant and breathable fabric. Our glow-in-the-dark safety motorcycle gear is crafted by weather-resistant and breathable fabric, ensuring both protection and comfort in all riding conditions. Number two, glow-in-the-dark technology. Our technology absorbs light during the day and emits a bright glow in the dark, ensuring continuous visibility. Number three, rechargeable or long-lasting luminescent features. Our glow in the dark safety motorcycle gear features rechargeable or long-lasting luminescent technology ensure extend visibility and safety of the rider. List the benefits of your solution. Number one, enhance visibility. By glowing by glowing in a low light condition, making riders more visible. Number two, reduce accident risk. Our glow in the dark safety motorcycle gear reduce accident risk by rider more visible in low light and night condition. Number three, almost same end ng 1 and 2. Number four is comfortable and stylish. A glow-in-the-dark motorcycle gear is designed to be about comfortable and stylish, ensuring riders don't have compromise on looks of movement. Number five, durable and long-lasting. A glow-in-the-dark motorcycle gear is durable and long-lasting design to withstand and to demand of daily riding, made from high quality, weather-resistant and materials. Next.
And for the team composition, I am Master Vladimir Estrella, and my role and position is CEO.
Hello, I'm Jun Viniegas. My position is COO, CTO.
Hello everyone, I am Miguel Cuevas and my role and position is CFO or CMO.
Hello everyone, my name is Marco Ryan Pilanjana. My role is CFO or CMO.
And lastly, I am Jepran Velasco, and my role and position is CFO and CMO. So what makes us a good team to solve the problem? We are resilient, innovative, and committed to solving real-world problems with strong teamwork and research skills. We aim to enhance rider safety through our glow-in-the-dark safety motorcycle care. That's all. Thank you.